Welcome. This plant is a Rhipsalis. It's one of those plants that are not necessarily very decorative, but extremely interesting. This is a cactus, and that's what makes this plant so interesting, because it is a cactus that is not adapted to dry conditions at all. This is an epiphytic cactus, a cactus that is designed to grow on either trees or stone walls in relative shade, and it's a cactus that cannot sustain prolonged periods of drought, prolonged periods when there is no water available. It is in bloom right now. The flowers are very small, very inconspicuous. There is a flower at the tip of this stem. I hope you can see it. Here, there is a flower here. And there is another one, which is here. I will have to help you notice it. Where is it? It's here. It is here at the bottom of this stem. Can you see it? Here is a flower, and there are some flowers that are already gone, that are either gone or not developed yet. It is potentially a very long cactus, a very long plant. It will grow down, it will grow new pendulous stems, and the bigger it is, the lower it will be hanging, and eventually it might be a decorative plant, but when it's big and when it grows down. I keep it on a windowsill. I keep it in a sunny spot, but the sun is never full sun. There is a hedge beside the window that casts shade on it. So there are moments when the plant is fully lit by the sun, but this is a very short period of time during the day. It also grows in a container, and it might look awkward, and it does, because the container is a little bit too small for the pot in which the plant grows. I just put it there just because I didn't have anywhere else to put it, and then look what happened. Look what happened. The water that was accumulating at the bottom of this container made the roots grow down to reach for it, and now it's like a hydroponic setup, which it is. And that's why I keep this plant in this container, because it seems to be happy. Otherwise I would have to be careful watering it, not to keep it too dry, not to keep it too wet. So this way I don't have to worry about watering it. I just have to make sure that there is water at the bottom of the container, and the plant takes as much as it needs. Sometimes I do water the soil as well, so the top of the roots are wet as well. Well, that's about it. That's about everything I wanted to share with you about my Rhipsalis. It is a very interesting plant, isn't it? And I hope maybe next year it will look nicer than it does now, because 2 years ago, or maybe even 3, the stems were damaged. You can see the traces of, I'm not sure what, maybe it was not watered properly, maybe there was something else that was bothering it, but it didn't look healthy. So I hope once it grows larger, it will look healthier, and it will look even nicer than it does right now. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching my video. Have an amazing day.